and all we do, reserve the right to scream, fuck you! Wear your mask, take your pill, now a whole generation's mentally ill. Man, fuck's about you. But COVID's near, it's coming to town. We gotta act quick, shut our borders down. Joe Biden does, the media embraces. Big Doc does it and they call them racist. We love
Oh yeah, I gotta set the timer off. You see I'm 3 hours over and I'm getting close, but I'm not done. I still gotta where's the minor shit? Just that top half. Grind some more welds. I didn't realize after I ground 50,000 welds, there's a difference between grinding disc brands. There's some stuff there. I gotta make a patch here, a little something there. What I do is weld and go through and grind it, and then go and move on to another part, and grind it and move on to another part. See, I gotta do some more grinding, some more tack welding. That was the conglomerate, I call it. He liked it when he was over. That's got to be finessed. Focus! Yeah. Yay! It's going to look like this when it's all done. Focus! Until I did a rough grind on that. I don't grind too long in one spot because I don't want it to heat up and warp. What I do is sometimes I grind with this. After I'm done, I finesse it with this. This is what I mean about different grinding discs. I didn't realize the difference. Like this, that works good. This is the same brand. It just grinds more smoother. It doesn't bounce and jump. I don't know if it's a different grit or what it is. It's a Turd Bomb brand. I've had one of these blow apart on me. It hit me in the fucking leg before. Don't piss me off today. I will slam you. You motherfucker, come on. God, I hate when fucking motherfucking shit don't work. Yay. Yeah. Now he wants to know if I'm interested in doing this. I don't really understand what he wants. I'm thinking he wants me to clean this out. Because it looked like somebody did a little something here. I haven't even investigated it. But anytime you see anything like that, that's not a dent. Stuff like that, that's not a dent. Somebody got into it. I don't know if he wants me to weld it full or if he wants me to clean it out, and I don't know. It's right there. It tells me somebody's been there. This is probably rust from breaking through the backside. I shouldn't do it, but I'm trying to make up my hours. Just do these two pieces. I don't want nothing else to do with this. No, I don't want nothing else to do with it. Yeah, I'm tired. Underquoted the job. I always do, which is my fault. You know, I always do it to myself, but I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Got most of the stuff in. Surprised they got this far done in 23 hours. I figure I'm going to have 30, I'm hoping they'll have 30 hours by the time I put the seam seal in right there. And they put seam seal all around the bottom. What they did in 1971, they put seam seal like all along this edge right here and on the other side. Yeah, this stuff that has nothing to do with me. That's the way I understand. I'll etch prime it, and then I'll prime it and call it a day. This stuff is all pretty. I was actually surprised. You know, it's actually structural sound. It might be a little cosmetic, not beautiful, but we're not looking for cosmetic. We're looking for structural sound. And if you look at a 71, everything's encapsulated with this big chrome stuff anyway. I told him to bring out the chrome, but he brought the windshield. I don't want that. But he didn't bring me the piece that I assume, I could be wrong, I assume there's a chrome piece that goes right here. Maybe not. I don't know. I hope there is, but otherwise I'll have to finesse that in beautiful-ish. Yay. That's about all I got to say. Don't underquote shit, and you be good. Piece of property, piece of oneself, peace on earth, rest in peace. Bigger piece of pie, piece of action, piece of pussy, piece of corn dog, piece of pizza. And when the big dogs get all done eating, even the puppies like me get a piece of something, motherfucker. If I wasn't doing this, I'd be doing something else, because I'm always doing something. So I hate when I wrote down all the LED lights I need, 8 foot and 10 foot, and then I lost a piece of paper already. What the fuck? I didn't have it 2 seconds, but yay. Enjoy your evening, because I surely will.